First, it is the unit 6. In this, the first topic is exact differential equation. Again, I am giving the brief explanation. The general form of the first order first degree differential equation is m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0. And if it satisfies the relation dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then equation 1 is said to be exact differential equation. And in this working rule of the solving of exact differential equation is, we go to the only 2 steps. It is a shortcut form. Just to follow the how to solve the exact differential equation. First, the given equation is comparing with mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. That is the step 1. Next, the first relation is if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then we can say that given equation is said to be exact
differential equation.
And the step 2 is directly we go to the general solution. The general solution of the given exact differential equation is integral over x, that is nothing but y treating as a constant, m of x comma y dx plus integral terms independent of x in terms independent of
X.
x in capital N into dy is equal to c. That is nothing but only y terms. Okay. These 2 steps we can follow for solving of the exact differential equation. Next. First, the given equation is first order first degree differential equation, that is in the e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y into sin x dy equal to 0. First, we can take the given equation is in the form of m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0. Here, m of x comma y is equal to e power y plus 1 into cos x, that is the dx coefficient, and n of x comma y is equal to e power y sin x, that is dy. Dy coefficient function is n of x comma y, dx coefficient function is n of x comma y. Next, we can check the exact relation. For that, we can differentiating with respect to y variable of the m function, that is dou m by dou y is equal to, here e power cos x is a constant. Why? Because we are differentiating partially with respect to y variable, means it is a x function, then it is cos x is a treating as a constant. Now we go to the differentiating of this function with respect to y. We know that e power y differentiation is d by dy of e power y is e power y only.
Y, yeah.
And the derivative with respect to y of the any constant is equal to 0. So
0.
here e power y differentiation is e power y, one differentiation
y.
is 0. It is equal to e power y into cos x only. Next, in the same way, the n function can be differentiating with respect to x. We can differentiating with respect to x means here e power y is a y variable function, that is nothing but in the partial case we can treating as a constant of y function. Then we know that
Yes.
the derivative with respect to x of sin x is cos x.
Cos x.
So sin x derivative is cos x. So observing of these two functions, if these two are clearly equal, so we can say that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The relation is satisfied. Therefore, given equation is an exact differential equation. Next, we can take the general solution of the exact differential equation. The general solution of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is integral over x m dx plus integral only y terms, that is independent of x in capital n of x comma y function, and dy is equal to c. So here integral over x e power y e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus integral only y terms. In that, just we can check, is there any y term or not? No. Why? Because e power y sin x is there. E power y sin x means that is combined with sin. So in that no independent y terms are there. So we can take it is 0 into dy is equal to c. From this, here x means y treating as a constant. Y treating as a
Yes, ma'am.
constant means we can take outside of e power y plus 1. E power y plus 1 is a constant term. Integral of cos x dx. The integration of 0 is 0 equal to c. From this, e power y plus 1 into cos x integration is positive sin x.
Minus.
No, positive sin x. We know that derivative d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. But integral of cos x is plus sin x. These are the formulas.
Sorry, miss. Integral of sin x is minus cos x.
X, exactly. The second one is 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power xy into 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. Now, we can take the given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy. So,
Yes, ma'am.
given equation is 1 plus e power x by y whole into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y whole dy is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Here equation 1 is comparing with general form of the first order first degree differential equation, that is m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0. From these two equations we can take here capital M of x comma y is equal to 1 plus e power x by y, and n is, that is n of x comma y is equal to e power x by y into 1 minus x by y. Again, we can go for the condition of the exact, that is m is differentiating with respect to y, n is differentiating with respect to x. If both are equal, we can say that the given equation is an exact. And before of that, we can discuss the normal derivative, that is d by dx of u by v formula is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square.
5b square.
Here d by dy of x by y is equal to y derivative of x is 0 minus x derivative of y is 1 by y square. It is equal to minus x by y square. Or the same one, we can do that. Here x is a constant right outside, that is x d by dy of y power minus 1. That is equal to x into minus 1 into y power minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. It is also minus x by y square. We can go through any one of the derivative formula. This formula is using of derivative of, that is d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1 form.
-1. Okay.
This is using of that. When it is partially means we can write x is a constant that can be right outside. We can derivative with respect to y means directly we go through the basic formula of the x power n. Or otherwise, if we can take u by v form means this is the, in both ways we are getting the derivative part is same. So here, before of doing this, I can explain this one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, m is differentiating with respect to y means 1 is a constant derivative is 0, plus e power xy means we know that derivative of, that is d by dx of e power x is e power x only. So here e
Yes, ma'am.
power x by y, derivative is e power x by y, again dou by
Into
dou y of
1 by y.
x by y, dou by of x by y.
1 by y.
It is minus x by y square. E power
Oh, yeah, yeah.
x
Sorry,
by
ma'am.
y
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, yeah.
minus x by y square. So here dou m by dou y equal to minus x by y square into e power x by y. It is the dou m by dou y. Here dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x means the exponential is involved in x and y variable. The another function is also involved in x and y variable. So we are using the formula, that is derivative, that is d by dx of uv equal to u v dash
B dash plus
v
vu dash.
u dash. That is the formula. Here the derivative of this is e power x by y, again dou by dou x of x by y into 1 minus x by y, plus e power x by y is u. Here we are taking dou by dou x of 1 minus x by y. It is equal to e power x by y. Here derivative of x by y means x derivative is 1, that is 1 by y is a constant, x derivative is 1 into 1 minus x by y, plus e power x by y into derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x is 1. So it is minus 1 by y.
1 by y.
It is equal to multiply, or taking common e power x by y common from these two terms. So the remaining, the multiply of these two, 1 by y into 1 is 1 by y, minus 1 by
Minus x
y
by
into,
y square.
yes, minus x by y square, minus 1 by y, plus 1 by y, minus 1 by y, get
Minus 1 by
cancelled,
go.
minus x by y square e power x by y. So here dou n by dou y. Here dou n by dou y is equal to minus x by y square into e power x by y. So clearly
This is
from
dou n by dou x, right?
dou n by dou x, correct. Dou n by dou x, exactly. Dou n by dou x is equal to minus x by y square into e power x by y. Observing these two derivatives clearly equal. So dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, given equation 1 is an exact differential equation. Next step, we can go for the general solution. The general solution of m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is integral over x m dx, that is nothing but y treating as a constant, plus integral only y terms, only y terms of n dy is equal to c. Here integral over x, what is the m function? M function is 1 plus e power x by y dx plus only y terms. In this no y term, each and every term is involving of x and y, so it's 0 into
0.
dy equal to c. Here y treating as a constant, and here only y terms. And we can take separate or directly we can take integral over x means integral 1 dx plus integral of e power y treating as a constant means 1 by y into x dx equal to c. Integral of 1 dx is x plus e power 1 by y into x by 1 by y equal to c. Why? Because we know that integral of e power ax dx equal to e power ax by a plus c. So here after the simplification, x plus y e power x by y equal to c is the required
Solution.
general solution of given equation 1. This is the solution of the second problem. Third one, solve x e power xy plus 2y into dy by dx plus y e power xy is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. The given equation is equation 1. The given equation is x e power xy plus 2y into dy by dx plus y e power xy is equal to 0. From this, we can multiply with dy or taking the LCM of dy, that is x e power xy plus 2y into dy plus y e power xy dx is equal to 0. Then we can write in the general order, that is m dx plus n dy, that is y e power xy dx plus x e power xy plus 2y into dy is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Now
Yes, ma'am.
equation 1 is comparing with
m into
general form of first order, first degree differential equation is m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0. Here we can take the m function m of x comma y equal to dx coefficient, that is y e power xy. N function is n of x comma y is equal to x e power xy plus 2y. Now we can go through the condition of the exact, that is nothing but m is differentiating with respect to y. And again we can take the relation of the suitable formula is d by dy of uv is equal to uv dash plus v u dash using of this formula. Here y is u, e power xy is v. So here u v dash y e power derivative of e power ay is equal to a into e power ay. Here x is a constant. Why? Because m is derivative with respect to y partially, means in that any x variable is there, then we can taking as a constant.
constant.
So here u is y, e power xy differentiation is x e power xy plus b is as it is e power xy, u derivative is 1. So it is equal to xy e power xy plus e power xy. It is the derivative of m function. Next, n function is with respect to x. Here with respect to x means here also it is in the form of uv.
uv, yeah.
U is x. V means y is treating as a constant in the partial
Constant.
derivative of the n function. So this y, what is the constant is there, that is the multiple in the e power ax form. So y e power xy plus e power xy into x derivative with respect to x is 1. 2y derivative is 0. So here dou n by dou x equal to xy e power xy plus e power xy. Observing of these two derivatives, both are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Here dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y, both are equal. Therefore, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Then equation 1 is an exact differential equation. So next we can take the general solution of exact. The general solution of exact differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is integral over x m dx plus integral only y terms n dy equal to c. Here integral over x, m function is x e power xy plus, sorry,
No, the x function is y e raised to x.
by e power xy dx plus only y terms. Only y terms means in that x e power xy is combined of x and y. Y term is 2y only.
2y into 2.
dy equal to c. Here in this over x means y treating as a constant. So
Yes, ma'am. So it'll be y e raised to xy by y.
y is right outside Integral of e
Yeah.
power xy is e ratio xy
Yeah.
by
By y.
y plus 2 into integral of y dy is y square by
2y
2.
square by 2.
See, 2 cancel, y cancel. From this, therefore, e power xy plus y square equal to c is the general solution of equation 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Here the equation is comparing with m dx plus n dy. It is m. From this here, what is m function? M equal to 2y sin x plus cos y. It is m. And n is minus of this whole terms. This is the dy
Minus.
so minus of x sin y plus 2 cos x plus tan y. And we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
y differentiating with respect to y means this is 2 sin x minus cos y. Differentiating with respect to x means minus sin y. Cos x derivative is minus 2 sin x.
Minus.
Minus
Yes,
into
ma'am.
minus plus 2 sin x.
Plus.
Tan y means it's 0. Here also
Yeah, okay,
2
ma'am.
plus 2 sin x, here plus 2 sin x. Minus sin y, here minus sin y. So both are equal, it is an exact. The integral over x means we can take these two. In the place of integral sin x, we are getting minus 2y cos x plus x cos y. Only y terms, only tan y is the y term. What is the integral of tan y? The tan y dy integration. Minus log cos x
Cos x.
or
Or log
log
sec x.
secants plus c. Just we can apply that.
Yes, ma'am.
It's over. Next, the sixth one is this cos x is taking to left side, then only you can take in the LCM or the cross product.
Okay, ma'am.
In this, the m is equal to 3x square tan y minus cos x. N equal to x cube secant square y. N is differentiating with respect to y. It is x term, it's 0. Tan y differentiation
0.
is secant square y. We are getting 3x
yeah.
square secant square y. N is differentiating with respect to x. X cube derivative. 3x square secant square.
No. X secant square is a constant over there.
Yes, that is 3x square secant square y. Both are exact. Both are equal, so it is exact. Okay, you can go through that one. It is also simple only.
Yes, ma'am.
These all are just here also we can differentiating. Here x means with respect to y. Here only we are getting 6x square y minus 6xy square. Here also x with respect to x means 3 2s are 6x square y. 3 2s are 6xy square. It's y term, it's 0. So both are equal. It is an exact. Next, I am going to discuss the last two problems. It's no need to confuse here. Last two problems here, it is m of r comma theta is equal to small r plus sin theta minus cos theta. N of r comma theta equal to r into sin theta plus cos theta. See here, it is theta coefficient. So it can be differentiating with respect to r. It is r
Instead
coefficient.
of xy, it's r theta.
Yes, dou m by dou theta. Just we can compare like.
Got it, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Here the same thing. R is 0. Sin theta differentiation is cos theta. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Minus into minus plus sin theta. Here with respect to r means r is 1 into sin theta plus cos theta. Both are equal, sin theta plus cos theta. So dou m by dou theta equal to dou n by dou r. Then this equation 1 is exact. It is an exact differential equation. And what is the general solution?
Integration of m dx, only x
That-
terms.
The general solution is integral over x. Here what is this? Over
R
r. Theta treating as a constant.
constant.
R plus sin theta minus cos theta into
Yeah.
dr plus integral. Only theta terms.
Theta. There
Only
are no
theta
only theta
terms.
terms.
Yes, exactly. 0 d theta equal to c. From this, r integration is r square by 2.
R square.
Sin theta is a constant.
R sin theta
R sin theta minus
minus R cos theta.
theta equal to c is the general solution. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 13th one, in the same way we can find out the general solution here. After the general solution, find the equation of the curve satisfying the differential equation. The general solution is the solution of the
The
given
equation.
equation that is satisfies this equation.
Okay, ma'am.
Next topic is
Ma'am, I'll just come back, ma'am. Let's go to the washroom.